It's day 2 and today we are going to morning routine. Eating at the George Ikea Fashion Show Mall. Checking into MGM Grand. Eating at Wolfgang Puck. Day 2 starts now. It's about 4:40 in the morning. They don't have a Starbucks at Durango, and I don't think the coffee place opens at 6. But I forgot that they do have coffee machines in the rooms here, but it's too early to make coffee. I did bring these anyways because I remembered they didn't have Starbucks. But we are downstairs and we are going to do our morning routine. $20. It's day 2, so $200. Minimum bet in all the machines, 10 machines. This time though, I'm only gonna film the bonuses and the cash in at the end to see how we did. So, see you in a bit. All right, we got first spin bonus. This is the second machine. It's called Lantern Link, and we got all 3 of them, minimum bet. Let's get something good. The major's at 500. One on the bottom. One on the bottom. Come on, bottom. These are pennies, so we're doing minimum bets. One on the bottom. Come on. Bottom, 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 bottom. Got it. All right, now we need one on the top. We need one on the top. Come on, top, 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 top. Top's out. Six more for that grand. Grand's at 7,000.
Keep it going.
Those come from up there. So see, they float down.
Okay, come on, save it. Save it. Save it. Save it, save it, save it. Yeah, that's pretty good though.
First spin, all 3 of them pop. So. Alright, $28.50. This one's definitely a winner. See you in the bonus. Spin 35. This is machine 3. The sound on it is not very good though, so this is called Outgrow Link. It's like a Halloween theme, but as you can hear, the music's not working very good. I don't know how many spins I get. I've never played this before. Maybe, oh, right here. So it resets after every one that you get. All right, so we want here, right here. Come on, right there. All right, last one saved me. All right, 18. All right, this one's a winner. This one's a winner. That's pretty good. The sound's messed up. All right, $25. See ya in the bonus. All right, we got a spin 10 bonus on Ra's Awakening. Let's do it.
Big ones. 3 more spins.
Last spin. All right, 783. See you in the bonus. All right, we are headed to machine 5. If you didn't watch any of my last videos, we are doing the morning routine. It's where we wake up, we don't get ready. We go downstairs, we get our coffee, and we play minimum bets on whatever day it is, $100. So this is day 2, it's $200. Minimum bets only, and you want to play machines that you haven't played because you're trying to get bonuses. Usually you're only down a little bit by the end of this, and you're racking up points and you're seeing bonuses, hopefully. So we are headed to machine 5, and we will see you in the bonus. All right, we got a spin 15 bonus. We got 3 of these to get it. Let's see here. What do we want to do? The spins aren't paying very well, so I think we're going to do that. Select and win. So all we needed was 3 of those to trigger it. Sorry, security was over there.
Spin 4 of 8.
I don't know what that bottom does. I'm assuming it pays. Come on, bottom. All right, we got it. Oh, 2 more spins. That's what it does. Oh, and it unlocks. And it pays. All right, this is a good machine. Or a good game, I mean. That one's 960. Come on, let's get that again.
Yeah, 2 more spins. We unlock, and we get paid. So $20 for that one. Come on, let's keep doing that. Come on, do it again.
You must only be able to get 3 of them because we're out of spots, so.
10 of 12, come on. 2 more spins. Get it. All right, last spin, come on, make it count. Come on. Middle. All right.
That's a good bonus, though. It doesn't go fast. Oh yeah, that's a real good one. 46.85. All right, I'll see you in the bonus. All right, we got spin 25. So we only got 1 more spin after this. This is called Phoenix Bowl. And let's get this major. Whatever it is, it's gonna be good because we have some good balls. 2 times is not bad. Because we do have a mini on the other screen, so. Oh, we only get 2 times on that? Oh, that's bullshit. All right, that's spin 26. All right, see you in the bonus. All right, spin 15. This is Conan. And I've played Conan before, but I've never ever gotten this bonus. So let's hope it's a good one. You only need 3 of these in a row to get that paid. So we need 3 in a row. We are on spin 3 of 10. So really we want 3 in the wheel. Come on. 1 more. Wheel. All right, we got the wheel. Now let's hope this is good. Let's get us a minor. Minor, major, or grand. it's gonna be 2. Mustard. All right, let's do it again. We're on spin 6, 7. This is 7. Wheel. Another one. Another one. All right, this will be good no matter what. No matter what, this one's gonna be good. Give us a 10 times. 10 times or minor. $25? 7? It's gonna be 2 again. All right, let's do it again. We got 3 more spins. 3 more spins. Come on. 2 more. Do it, Will. All right, last spin. Oh, we can get a double wheel? All right, $38.85. That was a good one. See you in the bonus. All right, we got to spin 14 bonus. This is our last machine. Let's make it a good one. Come on. Really, really good. Come on, really good. I don't know what those pigs do. Maybe they're wilds at the end. We need them in the front. Otherwise, this ain't gonna pay shit. All right, last spin. I mean, that's not bad, but that's kind of a dumb game. But it's a good win, 18 bucks. All right, see you in the bonus. All right, so we did 20 machines. Here's all our tickets. I do believe we did very, very good today. So let's check it out. And you can see the games that I played while we're doing this. Yeah, this is gonna definitely be a win. Usually when you play this, you're only down 20 bucks or you're up 20 bucks. So 20 to 40. Today was a very good session though. So morning routine today was extremely good. So it's not always like this, of course, but this is what you hope for all the time. So we got a bonus on almost every machine. So. And we got a lot of points. So we cashed out at well, this one doesn't want to go in. We cashed out at 256.71. Started with 200. Usually you're up 40 or so, but today was good because we got so many bonuses. We almost got a bonus on every machine we played. Anyways, thanks for watching, and we will see you in the bonus. All right, we're at 2 cents now. That's 100. I think that's 200 bucks, right? Yeah, that's 200 bucks showing. Let's get that minor. Let's get that minor. Let's get that minor in the major, because that's what we're going for. Come on, we'll take the grand also. I mean, the grand would be really nice. Save it. All right, that's pretty good though. I don't know what that is, but it's over 200. These are 2 cents. All right, 234. See ya in the bonus. All Alright, we got a 10-cent bonus. I hate these, but hopefully we get a ball in the middle. Come on, or that. It's 50 bucks. Come on, do that again, or a ball. That's why I hate it. Alright, that's good. That's 90 bucks. Come on, ball. Come on, ball. Come on, ball. It's 108. Come on, big one, ball. Alright, 108 bucks. Not bad, we'll clear it. Alright, see you in the bonus. Alright, they're all small, but let's get this minor because it did drop a couple times. Penny's 100. Come on, one more. One more. About 200 bucks. $2.15. See you in the bonus. Okay. Anyways, the Durango is very, very. What do you think about the Durango?
It's really nice.
What do you think about the Durango?
Like it. She likes it.
She likes it. It is nice in here. Like, it's a very, very clean casino. I'm sure you've seen footage of Durango before, but I wanted to show you the sports book because the sports book is fucking awesome. The sports book is fucking awesome. Oh, and actually, this is where we're eating. We're eating at the George. All right, see you in a minute. So the George is right in the middle of the sports book. It is a 24-hour restaurant. We are here for breakfast. The sports book looks very, very nice. I bet you watching a Super Bowl in here would be fucking awesome. Steak is pretty good. Nicely seasoned. Don't even need to put anything on it. I know it's really weird to say, but the jam here is delicious. Like, I really think it's a real strawberry that they just mashed up. Super good. Look at that. Saving some for later. You know, eggs are just eggs. But the potatoes, they're pretty good. They taste like Arby's French fries. Like the crinkle cut fries at Arby's, that's what they taste like. Okay, these are called sweet cream pancakes. It tastes like frosting.
I don't think she eats them enough to tell the difference of like the buttermilk versus the sweet cakes.
It tastes like frosting though on a cake, right? Yeah, the pancakes are pretty good. It essentially tastes like cake frosting.
It's like dessert.
It's like a dessert, yeah. It is nice. What time's the bar open? The pool doesn't open until 10 o'clock, so That's kind of late for us because we got stuff to do, but we're gonna go get ready. If we have enough time before we check into MGM, we'll go. Otherwise, I got footage of just the pool. It just opened so late. I wonder if it opens late
Because the Vegas
because,
pool's open at 9.
but it might be because it's a weekday, maybe. Because it is a Tuesday today.
That's true.
So maybe they open at 9 on the weekends. I don't know. Today it doesn't open till 10. I guess we're buying furniture and having it shipped to the house. Because it ain't going to fit in my car. But we're here. So I guess we're shopping at Ikea. See ya inside. Good old Ikea. It does look pretty nice. Our first set of silverware ever was bought from an Ikea in Utah. And coincidentally, she's looking at silverware. This place is humongous. And it's actually kind of cheap. I forgot how cheap it was.
Oh, see, so what? Wait, what
That's
is
a
it?
fruit condom. You put this over your cut fruit. And it feels gross. Okay, now this is cool. This looks like a restaurant. So like you go,
Oh, yeah.
there's the address. Then you go through the doors. And it's a speakeasy without the booze. So you can design your own speakeasy. This is IKEA. Another cool display that they got, like you're walking into your house. We are lost. We somehow ended up in this place. I don't know if we're ever gonna leave this store. We can't find the exit. Continue shopping, 21 to 25. Maybe that means after that we're gonna be in aisle 20? I don't know. Wish us luck getting out of here. They got a cafeteria with cheap food like Costco. Right? I wonder if they have hot dogs. And it looks like they got ice cream. Let's go check it out. Let's get some ice cream. Maybe we could pay for that up there too. All right, well, we made it.
We survived. You walked a good mile around in there.
I'm
Took a
sweating.
mile to get out of there.
I am sweating. All right, well, we're off to our next adventure. See you in a bit.
out of jail. We didn't come here to show off or like floss our shit or anything like that. We just came to chill and have fun. I guess that's what life's all about.
So they got a thing called the frozen Irish coffee that I thought would be like a frozen Bailey's because it says Bailey's. We got it, and it is like a generic frozen Bailey. They put the Baileys on top, so it's just a frozen Irish coffee like slushy, and then they throw Baileys on top. It does taste good, but it's definitely not a frozen Bailey. Yeah. But I mean, it does taste good, but you gotta go over to the place by the link and Flamingo to get the frozen Baileys still. I thought we found the hidden gem, but we did not. It's got coffee beans in it. It will definitely give you brain freeze. Little known fact, if you ever have a migraine, just make yourself get brain freeze, it goes away. So just go run over to 7-Eleven or get a frozen drink in Vegas. Migraine gone. So we ate at this pizza place right here, which the pizza is pretty good. But if you read over there, it says, no, we do not serve ranch, blue cheese, ketchup, or mayo. And then it says it again right there. But then right there, it says, try our new dip. It's not ranch, but guess what it is? It is ranch. I guess the guy that owns that place hates ranch, but we'll eat it. And they do have candy at the pool. Little eye candy. Anyways, the pool is filling up. I don't know who that lady is, but if you see this video, lady, take that as a compliment. I don't think I recorded any of that. All right, anyways, we were playing 3-card poker and telling dad jokes. It was pretty fun. The winning dad joke was... What was the winning dad joke? I can't even remember what it was. What was it?
Are you talking about the scarecrow joke?
Yeah, scarecrow.
Why did the scarecrow become a motivational speaker?
Yeah, why did this scarecrow become a motivational speaker? Because he was outstanding in his field. Anyways, that was the winning joke, all right? We were playing 3-card poker. I'm a little bit tipsy, all right? Don't mind me. I'm not driving us to MGM.
I know. Mommy's going to drive us.
I know. All right, anyways, we are checking out of Durango. We're heading to MGM. And always, like I say, check your safes. Because if you're in a room that I was in, there's money in that motherfucker. So always, always, always check your safes. It ain't a lot of money, but it's still what? You can win a jackpot on that, and who leaves money in their safe unless they were drunk and they left it there? I intentionally left it there. All right, anyways, we're packing up. We will see you at the MGM.
I've got the car keys.
Checking in. Our offers are all messed up, but we're hoping they fix that right now. because I don't think our host is here today, so hopefully they do. I'll let you know. See you in a bit. All right, here we go.
For the first time, we don't bring the bag, but they actually have this close too.
It's all right. We valeted and bellhopped because I'm a little bit drunk, so I didn't want to have to deal with that. Looks like it's the same room as last time, which was a very,
a little different. It feels
very,
a little smaller.
I don't think it's, yeah, I don't think it's smaller. All right, so anyways, we got a living room here.
No, it feels like it's
And
doesn't it? Even the real.
zoom out here.
Oh my
Living
gosh.
room.
You're right. It's the
TV.
same exact view. We might be in the same room.
Is it the same room? Oh yeah, you know what? It might be the same room. Yeah, because this is the same.
It's like the same view.
The Oreo is over there. So let's open this up. Yeah, actually I think this is the exact same room. I'll have to check old content. I'll let you know if this is the same room or not. But there's the Oreo. You know, I couldn't even tell you what that is right there. What is that? Is that the lobby? I don't think that's the lobby. I don't know what the hell that is. Maybe that is the lobby. Anyways, we got the Oreo there. We've got MGM there. We got another TV here. We got 2 beds. They don't even have our... They give us earplugs because at night, not like real late, but from now until about 10ish probably, they have helicopters that fly by and it's very loud, so they leave earplugs for that. So if you're ever in MGM and wondering why you have earplugs, that's why you have them, because the helicopters fly right over us and it's very loud. All right, and then we've got our, yeah, it's the same room because this is the same picture. So there's our picture right there. The safe's gonna be in here. Always check your safe. Wouldn't it be funny if my money is still in there? Look at that, my money is still in there. Look! I told you guys I leave money in here and you guys are not checking the safes. Look at this shit. This is the same room. This is amazing. This is amazing. This has been in here for over a month. That means every single casino that I've left money in, which is hundreds, have money still in them. It's amazing to me. Anyways, here's the bathroom. It has been cleaned since the last time we were there. Hopefully, because there was little poopy stains here. So it's definitely been cleaned. My money is still in there.
Shut up!
Look.
We need to play that.
Look, no we don't. I'm gonna just leave 2. Look, I even left a date on there.
Oh my gosh, that's crazy.
Let me see.
That's crazy.
Hold on, hold this. Point it. This was left April 28th, 2025.
That is
Do
crazy.
You see that up
I
there?
see that.
All right, so this room is going to have 2 of these.
I can't believe... Oh, because you left it underneath. They weren't looking underneath.
That's why I tell people to check the safes. They don't ever check them.
Oh my gosh.
All right, so...
Well, it's the same room. Hopefully it brings us the same luck.
All right, well, there'll be more by the time we check out. Anyways, we will see you. We're getting the bags delivered, and then we're going to go eat. So we will see you at the restaurant. So we are looking for stuff to eat, but apparently everything's closed on a Tuesday night. Look at even the buffet is closed. The buffet is closed tomorrow and Thursday. I wanted buffet for breakfast. Anyways, we were going to originally eat at Tap. Then we were going to eat at Buca di Beppo. But now we're going to walk to the restaurant area in MGM just to see what they have. Because I'm feeling hamburgers are Italian, so if they have something over there, we don't know what they have. We know they have emeralds because we ate there last time, but other than that, we don't know what there is. So hopefully they got something good. See you in a bit. So they got noodles. We've had that before, so we don't want that again. They got the Greek sneak Mediterranean. No. They got crush, but I don't want to eat there. They got Cirque du Soleil. They got Wolfgang Puck. Why don't we eat there? Wolfgang Puck. All right, we're going to do Wolfgang Puck. All right, so we'll do Wolfgang Puck. We've eaten here for breakfast, but never for lunch. Or dinner. So you know those European places that have the ladies that are dealing? Well, they got it here now. They got MGM Live. This is a new thing because they didn't used to have this. And they even got roulette over there. I always thought those things were fake and they just take your money, but apparently it's not because these ladies are dealing right here and it's live. So it is Las Vegas, coming soon globally. So I guess it's just for Vegas right now. So you can gamble online at home. But yeah, I always thought these were fake.
French dressing?
The burger is fucking delicious. No ketchup, no mustard. Added avocado and added bacon. Delicious. Nice and salty, juicy. If you're a burger person, definitely try this Wolfgang Puck. French fries are just French fries. Just regular old French fries, nothing special. How do those taste?
Good.
Just good?
Yeah.
It's blue cheese on ranch.
It's a blue cheese, like a blue cheese dry rub.
Blue cheese dry rub. How about yours, Dawn? It's good? She's a woman of many words. All right, the meatball. If you like meatloaf,
Does she look Mexican?
100% you will like this meatball. It tastes like a cross between a meatloaf and spaghetti. Like when you first start chewing it, it's like meatloaf.
All your friends have cats. It's weird.
But when you swallow it, it's 100% spaghetti and meat sauce flavor. Fucking delicious. It's very, very good. So it's like live blackjack. And then over there, I think, is poker, which we can't see. And then we got roulette. And they're all these, they never have men, do they? It's always these good-looking chicks, right? That's so us men gamble. All right, see you in a bit. All right, let's get this.
Come on, coins. Coins. 3 more. Hey.
2 more. Got it. All right, we need a minor and a major. Minor and a major. That's all we need. Minor and a major.
I mean, I think a mini. Let's go. Anything that works.
I did see the mini.
I did, yeah.
Come on. Do it. We got 2 spins after this, by the way. Save it. All right, it's not bad though. We got 2 spins.
At least it's $100.
Yeah. 110 so far. All right, come on. Do it again, do it again, do it again. Coins. All right, 150, that's pretty good. All right, see you at the bonus. Got the gold one.
Back-to-back bonus thing.
Back to back. So we're going up here.
Let's get the upgrade.
No, we get the upgrade automatic, don't
No,
we?
we don't.
Yeah, we do.
Upgrade for that.
Oh, for that. But that's what I'm
new
saying.
game. It's the
We're
new
on the
game.
top already, though.
Mansions.
Grand.
Shut up. All right, super mega hat.
Super mega hat's all right. 13
It's still the super.
13 hats.
Oh.
13 hats. 13 hats.
Come on,
1,
lots
2,
of them.
3,
Big ones, big
4,
ones.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That's pretty good though.
Lots of re-triggers. Let's get a fuck up. It is gonna fuck up. Come on, 3. All right, good. We got 1 gold. And we got a re-trigger. I mean, with a screen this big, you should get plenty of re-triggers. That's how I know it's fucking up. Alright, well, that's another gold. Yeah, 3 gold. Why did I give us another one? Oh, it did. Alright, come on, 3. Another gold. And give us 6 right now. Turn all of those reds gold. Come on, 6. Come on. Come on. 3 right now. 1. Alright,
That's another gold though. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 golds. That's worth at least
That'd be nice.
250. We should have at least 250 here. 250 bucks. At least. Because the minis are worth 50. So each of those golds with all that other stuff will be worth 50. Hopefully more, but
Little did 20 so far.
all right, here comes the big ones.
30 bucks.
Here they come.
20. Mini times 2, that's 100 bucks.
Yeah, so 250, I told you.
250.
250.
All right, let's go.
All right, 250 bucks. See you in the bonus. All right, we got a little Wheel of Fortune. Let's go. About 15 free games. 15 free games. Got it. We got it. Yeah, we got it. And 4 times. 4 times. Come on, motherfucker. It's fucking with us today. It is fucking with us. About 10 games to go. Can we get the spin again? I guess we can. $70, that's pretty good.
Win your money back.
Well,
All right, now let's win money on this next expense.
that was almost really good. Yeah? $1?
Oh my god.
The lady said that she had 15 games yesterday and she only won $1. All right, last one. Oh no, this is the last one. All right, 3 times. Let's go. Triple, triple, triple. All right, you can't complain about that. 177. We're gonna clear it though. Clear it. Almost. All right, see you in the bonus. They think you're posting this and you win $100. Come on, let's go. Come on. Be nice. Oh, that's a 3 times. Oh, but I needed the thing. That's a 5 times. Come on, 3. Oh, that's gonna be huge. $206. $206.
$206. And I still got $420. And I still got more games. Dang! Oh, another one!
What the fuck, dude?
Come on, we're gonna pay taxes today. We're paying them taxes. Come on. We're gonna pay them taxes. Nobody cares. Nobody cares except us. You would think we would have a crowd of people, right? Come on, do it again. That's pretty good too. That's big, whatever it is. What is it? What is this? What is it?
Dude, that shit is
Tw-
fucking... Holy shit! Holy shit!
Let's go, let's go, let's go. Keep it going. We got 4 more. 4 more. Come on, do it, do it.
Oh, you need a multiplier.
That's how I got that with multipliers. Okay, we got 3 more. All right, last one. Make it big. Okay, you can't complain about that, right? 602. 602. I gotta clear it though. I gotta clear it. I gotta clear it. Yeah,
Wow,
that's
dude, you fucking cleared that shit.
clearing it right now. And pushing the luck over to you.
Wow, yeah.
Pushing the luck over to you.
Wow, dude. What a fucking genius.
All right, well, ended on a good night, I think. That was a pretty good last win we did. We just cashed out and decided to go on to bed. So we are back in the room, and day 3 is tomorrow. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Have a great night, and bye.